Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We're starting this one off with a bit of a petrol head moment for you. It's not a classic car, it's quite a sporty looking car and you'll see it cross in front of me just up the road here. What you can see here is a 2022 Listerbell STR. I have a classic car moment for you all now coming up. What you're looking at here is a 1990 Rover Maestro. Horses for courses.
High-pressure sales tactics, huge site fee increases and a loss of value have left many holiday park homeowners feeling misled, angry and trapped. The Holiday Park Advice Centre can help claim back any money you're owed. Text advice to 7...
Horses for courses. But anyway, we are in the village of BULKINGTON in this clip in Warwickshire. And this area has featured a few times before in these videos, and you all know coming up we have a mini roundabout, and we're going to be looking at mini roundabout etiquette, or shall we say in this case lack of. Just like this one here going round the wrong side.
That's not how you take a mini roundabout either.
But fair play to this one here does it right. I have another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1992 Land Rover Range Rover. We're on the rear camera now in this clip, and this is the Anstey interchange just the north of Coventry. Now we're looking at two cars here. The first one is this Mercedes behind us, and the second one is an Audi to the right of me. You can see it just there now. Now we've seen this interchange a few times in these videos. And, you know, the lanes are clearly marked, so there's absolutely no excuse to be going from lane to lane.
Wakey, wakey!
I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 2001 Daewoo Matiz.
It's time for the STRETTON BASKERVILLE Roundabout again. Oh yeah.
Yep, we're back at that roundabout again. Now just keep an eye on that car on the left hand side, the white one with the roof box, because you're going to see him again shortly. He's too important, he doesn't want to wait behind people. Now we'll flip over to the front camera. We've got that nice blue van there on the right hand side. Then you'll see old matey now just overtake on the right with the roof box on. I think he must have went into them hatch markings as well. Anyway, there we go, straight up the M69, just like a robber's dog.
Mr. Impatient now, he's obviously got places to be and people to see, and taking up 2 lanes in the process.
I have another one here for you classic car enthusiasts.
A man was taken to hospital with potentially life-threatening injuries.
I'll zoom in on this one, obviously due to the width of the road. What you've got here is a 1980 Ford Granada.
Later, the Jack Draper has pulled out of the Madrid Open tennis. This man was taken to hospital with potentially life-threatening injuries during clutch. Later, the Jack Draper has pulled out of the Madrid Open tennis this week.
I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1995 Volkswagen Golf. Now, when you're driving, it's not just people you have to look out for, especially those with their heads in their phones and not being aware of their surroundings. When you're driving out in the countryside like here, you also have to be on the lookout and be wary of wildlife darting out in front of you as well. Now, I'm not sure if these two here are pheasants I've circled. They were young birds anyway, but I had to think for them as well. And let me just assure you viewers, no pheasants were harmed in the making of this clip. I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 2001 Ford Mondeo. In this clip, I'm just leaving the big Asda in NUNEATON. That's the railway station just there now in front of us. And we're going to be looking at poor lane discipline. Now, I'm going to give you a clue what type of driver it is. Yep, you guessed it. It's one of Wolverhampton's finest licensed to kill assassins. And there he is, just there in the white car ahead of us. Now, despite being in that lane there where he wants to go around the gyratory system, he actually wants to pull into Nuneaton railway station. I mean, seriously, trying to get those fellas to drive properly is like trying to get a pigeon to breathe underwater. And I have another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. This tidy little number that you see here is a 1976 Leyland Mini. I've got another one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1998 Peugeot Boxster. Not something you'd expect to see on the A5 every day. You'll notice there that I did use my hazard lights to warn traffic behind me too. I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1972 Triumph S. We're on the A5 in this clip, just passing under the M6 motorway. Now watch these vehicles up ahead. Now there's a right turn coming up, but they don't actually want that lane at all. Seriously, some of them have the spatial awareness of a rat going down a snake's gullet.
Looking out seriously.
We'll look at these two especially, and we'll see them on the rear camera too. They don't want that lane either. We're on Nortoff Lane in this clip, and we're a couple of miles just outside of Rugby, and just over this bridge. It's a blind bridge, but we've also got the Daventry International Rail Freight Terminal. Now, I'm sure a lot of drivers do not look further than the end of their bonnet, as we'll see shortly. I'll zoom in here now to give you a better idea of what I'm on about. Now just coming up the road, you've got a van there, and just on the right hand side as we're looking at it, there is a lay-by. Now I think he could have pulled in there because I can see him, so he sure as hell can see me coming over this bridge. But instead, I've got to reverse back slightly where there's a bit of extra space for us to both pass. I do get a wave though, so it's not too bad in the end. We're on the A5 in this clip, and I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1971 MGB. I've got another one here for you classic car enthusiasts. I'll zoom in here as the road is quite wide, but what you're looking at here is a 1973 Triumph TR6. I've got one here now for you classic vehicle enthusiasts, and if you're into your trucks, you're gonna like this one. In this case, we're not actually looking at the flatbed, we're looking at what's on top of it instead. In this case, it's a 1967 Ford. It does look better from the rear camera, I think, with the lighting and that. In this clip, we're just coming into WILLEY, and I've got another one for you classic car enthusiasts. This tidy little number that you see is a 1994 Jaguar XJS. In this clip, we're in the village of Shilton, and I've got one here for you classic car enthusiasts again. It's actually right there up ahead of us, the black one. Now, this tidy little number we're looking at is a 1965 Jaguar E-Type. We're on the A5 in this clip. We're looking at this unstuffed scarecrow behind me whizzing right up. As you can see, I've just overtaken a car and a trailer combination, but he still comes right up behind you. He was actually a lot closer there than it looks. In this clip, we've got someone on two wheels and probably the same amount of brain cells to match as well. Now, we're looking at this guy here on the bike. Now he goes straight out in front of me without even looking.
Make every moment a McVitie's moment. And a really exciting part of my life.
Fucking idiot.
STRETTON family.
In this clip, we're on the road between Wolvie and the A5 at Magna Park. Now, at the moment, I'm in a slow moving traffic queue because we've got a tractor up ahead of us. But old Mr. Places to Be and People to See here behind us in the red car, nope, he's having none of it. And just like a sock in a washing machine, he disappears. And yes, I admit that was probably unnecessary use of the horn too. We're on the B4109 just going through Burbage. And I've got one here for you classic car enthusiasts. This bright yellow number that you're looking at is a 1999 Mercedes-Benz SLK. Just one of my old favourites here, the old Places to Be and People to See mob.
My word of the year is Janelle. It basically means Janelle one side. So you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
But anyway, that's all we've got time for now this week. If you've made it this far, thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, bye for now, and above all, be safe out there.
2026 so far. Something